Hey guys, Snapo here. So a couple weeks ago, Dominic Chan on AVS started this thread about alternate devices for enabling low latency Dolby Vision. And I'm going to talk a little bit today about how to get custom firmwares for one of these devices, the EZCOO HDMI splitter, so that you can program a custom max luminance as well as BT 2020 and forcing it to be source LED only. So this is the device here on Amazon. There's also another one here, this AV Star. It doesn't have as much of a South Park inspired name, but it is exactly the same thing. I will put links to both of these in the description. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is download these two files. I'm going to put the links to all of this stuff in the comments. Once you have these two guys, you want to go into the GD32 that will be extracted from the RAR file. Go down into the drivers, probably x64, unless you know you have a 32-bit system. Double click on this guy to install the drivers. Once those drivers are installed, then you can go ahead and extract the second file someplace where you know where it's at. Then go back down into the all-in-one programmer directory. You have to search around a bit. Everything's a bit buried in this file, and open up the programmer. All right, programmer should pop up like this. Now the thing we need to do is plug the EZCOO in and get it into the update mode. It's a little bit finicky to get into the update mode. Basically what you want to do is sit the device on a desk, find something that you can push the update button with, push in the update button. I'm using a little pen from a Swiss Army knife here, and then plug the cable in. Once you do that, release the button, and after a couple of seconds, you should see the blue light start to flash. Okay, once you've got that blue light flashing, go back into the app and select the USB tab, select USB here, and hit connect. Once you're connected, then all you're going to want to do is hit the browse button and go to where you extracted the firmwares. Change the selector down here from bin to hex, and then select the max luminance that you want to use. For projectors, I would recommend starting with the 332 or the 385. Okay, then once you have that selected, go ahead and open it. You should see this window pop up here. And just go ahead and hit download. And you are done. Go ahead and hit disconnect, and you are ready to go. You might want to play around with a few different max luminances in order to find the one that works best for your setup. Now, if you do ever want to go back and put this back in the factory state, just go to where you had the extracted package from the vendor. Again, select hex again, and this SP12H2, that is the original firmware. So you can always just go and open that, and you would be back to normal. Okay, hope that helps, guys. If you got any questions, see you over on AVS or ask in the comments. Bye.